Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload HTML file or folder project into GitHub. As you can see, I added this HTML file and I'm going to upload it into GitHub. So for that, you need to come over into GitHub dashboard after logging this. Then you have to come over into this plus button and then click on new repository. Click on that. And then here you just need to give your repository name. So for that, I'm going to add HTML. And as you can see that it's showing HTML is available. So for that, I need to give a description. For that, I'm going to give the description as my web. And then make sure which one you want to give, private or public. So I'm going to leave it as public and then click on add a readme file. And then I'm going to simply click on create repository. And then as you can see that right now it's added, and now we're going to add a file. Click on that and going to click on upload file, click on choose your file, and then going to go for desktop and select the HTML file over here like this. So I'm going to give the index file over here, so going to click on it. As you can see, it's now uploaded. So I'm going to click on commit changes. And now it's processing your file, and as you can see that it's rightly added in your repository, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply add a file in your GitHub in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.